Welcome to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Today, we're exploring one of the most formidable creatures in the insect world, hornets. These fierce warriors are known for their incredible teamwork, powerful stings, and complex roles in their ecosystems. But did you know there's so much more to hornets than their fearsome reputation? Stick around to the end for a fun trivia segment where you can test your knowledge about these fascinating insects. Get ready for a buzzing adventure. Hornets are a specialized group of wasps that belong to the genus Vespa. Although they share similarities with their wasp relatives, hornets are unique in several ways, most notably their size. Hornets are generally larger than other wasps, with some species, like the Asian giant hornet, reaching an intimidating 2 inches in length. Their imposing appearance is matched by their behavior, earning them a reputation as some of the fiercest insects around. Hornets are found across the globe, particularly in Europe, Asia, and Africa. In North America, the European hornet is the most common species, having been introduced from Europe in the 19th century. Despite their fearsome reputation, hornets are more than just angry wasps. They play essential roles in ecosystems, controlling pest populations and contributing to biodiversity. The life of a hornet colony is a fascinating cycle of growth, teamwork, and renewal. Every colony begins with a single queen. After hibernating through the winter, the queen emerges in the spring to search for a suitable nesting site. Once she finds a spot, usually in a tree, hollow log, or even a man-made structure, she starts building the nest and laying eggs. The queen initially handles everything from laying eggs to feeding her young. Once the first workers hatch, they take over the tasks of expanding the nest, gathering food, and protecting the colony. The queen then focuses solely on laying eggs to grow the population. The nest itself is an architectural marvel, built from chewed-up wood fibers mixed with saliva to create a lightweight but durable papery material. These nests can grow impressively large as the colony thrives through the summer. By autumn, new queens and males are produced, ensuring the species' survival as the rest of the colony dies off in winter. Hornets are remarkable hunters and highly effective predators. They feed primarily on other insects, including flies, caterpillars, and spiders, using their powerful jaws to capture and kill their prey. This makes them valuable allies to farmers and gardeners as they help control pest populations. One of the most astonishing displays of hornet behavior is their defense of their colony. Unlike bees, hornets can sting multiple times without losing their stinger, making them formidable defenders. Their stings are not only painful, but also deliver venom that can deter even large predators. Among the hornet species, the Asian giant hornet stands out. Known as the murder hornet, this species is notorious for its aggressive behavior and its ability to decimate entire bee colonies. However, even these fearsome creatures have a purpose in nature, as they play a role in regulating ecosystems. Although hornets often evoke fear, their role in nature is crucial. They are powerful predators that keep insect populations in check, preventing outbreaks of pests that could otherwise damage crops and natural vegetation. Hornets also serve as food for larger animals, such as birds and some mammals, making them an essential link in the food chain. In addition, hornets contribute to the health of forests and gardens by preying on harmful insects. For example, they help control caterpillar populations, which, if left unchecked, could destroy large swathes of foliage. By maintaining this balance, hornets indirectly support plant growth and the survival of other species in their habitats. Hornets' interactions with humans are a mixed bag. On one hand, they help by controlling pests, but on the other, they can be dangerous when their nests are disturbed. Hornets are generally not aggressive unless they feel threatened. However, if provoked, they will defend their nests with ferocity, stinging multiple times to ward off intruders. In some cultures, hornets are seen as symbols of strength and courage. In Japan, for instance, hornets are respected for their tenacity, and hornet larvae are even considered a delicacy. People in rural areas sometimes harvest nests to collect the larvae as a source of protein. Despite their sting being painful and potentially dangerous for those allergic to their venom, hornets typically prefer to avoid humans. Understanding their behavior and respecting their space is the best way to coexist peacefully with these fascinating creatures. Hornets are more than just intimidating insects. They're complex, vital, and endlessly fascinating creatures that play a crucial role in the natural world. Remember to comment below with your answers and see how well you did. Now, it's time to see how much you've learned from today's episode. We've got 3 fun trivia questions coming up. Ready? Let's start. Question number 1. What do hornets primarily use to construct their nests? If your answer is B, chewed up wood fibers, you're correct. They chew wood fibers, mix them with their saliva, and create a strong, lightweight, papery material. This clever technique allows them to construct those beautifully intricate, layered nests that can house hundreds of colony members. Next time you spot a hornet's nest, just imagine the craftsmanship and teamwork that went into building it. Isn't that amazing? Question number 2. Which of these is a primary role of worker hornets in a colony? That's right, B. Building the nest and gathering food. Worker hornets are the backbone of the colony. They handle all the heavy lifting, expanding the nest, foraging for food, and protecting their queen and siblings from predators. They even feed the larvae by chewing up insects and turning them into a nutritious paste. Without these hard-working helpers, the colony simply couldn't survive. Aren't they the ultimate multitaskers of the insect world? Question number 3. Which species of hornet is also known as the murder hornet? You got it! It's B. Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet, often called the murder hornet, earned its fierce nickname because of its size, strength, and its ability to take down entire bee colonies in just a few hours. These hornets are massive, measuring up to 2 inches long, and their sting packs quite a punch. But despite their scary reputation, they play an important role in ecosystems, just like other hornets. Fun fact, in some regions, people even eat the larvae of these hornets as a delicacy. How wild is that? Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.